What is this?
That is our Bavarian cream
All right,
pie.
I'll trade you a Bavarian cream slice for the mug.
No, I want the squid.
Look at her face.
All right, I'll think about it.
All right, thank you very much. Go ahead.
Well, a new pizza place is coming to town. Larry's Pizza has a new store opening on Plainfield today, and the general manager, Larry White, has stopped by our studio with some of their famous pizzas. We also have Rick here, the general manager.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Hi.
And I know,
Thanks for having us.
Larry, you travel a long way to be here. Everybody wants to know, who's Larry?
Well, I'm Larry.
And you're from?
Little Rock, Arkansas.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit first, how you guys got up here on the Plainfield, corner of Plainfield and Fuller?
Well, I had an old guy that ate with me that lived in Arkansas and ate with me for years and years, and he moved up here about 10 years ago, I guess, and he said, "Hey, I want to do a Larry's Pizza up here." Of course, the guy weighed about 130 pounds when he started eating with me. Now he weighs about 260.
Well, it must be good then.
Yeah, well, I think so. But we finally got everything worked out, and we got opened up a few months ago, and we're having a grand opening starting this week.
Okay.
Got the ribbon cutting going on today. Invite everybody to come out, and just love to have you. Give us a shot.
Okay.
That's great. Yeah. Do you want to talk about, Rick, or one of you talk about some of the pizzas and kind of what your specialties
This is
are
our pepperoni pizza. This is definitely one of our bigger sellers, but our Fat Larry's and our loaded baked potato are the hot spots right
Now,
here.
the baked potato
that
sounds
sounds-
interesting to me.
A lot of people's never heard of that. We started, had a store in Cabot, Arkansas. One of the employees started making it, and it kind of took off. And of course, we have like 20 locations now, so we're all making the baked potato pizza. It's basically potatoes with bacon bits and sour cream and chives, and
Man, that
pretty
sounds
good.
Yeah, can't beat
All right,
that.
Rick, real quick, tell me the other two, what's on each pie?
We got a Fat Larry's, and that's got, it starts with a pizza sauce, and we got pepperoni, red onions, beef, and mushrooms. And pepperoni is Lauren's favorite, so
Okay.
we're trying to get
Well, no,
this one.
this one
And
down
now you
there,
have
I'm
dessert
very
pizzas. Tell me
interested
about the
too.
dessert
We got
pizzas.
Bavarian cream, and that's a big seller too. We have a peanut butter chocolate chip that I was going to have for you this morning, and it ran through the oven a little bit hard this morning. So.
Hey, that happens this early in the morning. Things happen. Well, hey,
yeah,
tell me again, the ribbon cutting is today.
Today at 10:30, we're doing a ribbon cutting. We're going to start the buffet for today, tomorrow, and Saturday. We're going to run it during the afternoon, and we're going to run it during the evenings.
And there's things for kids to do as well.
There's a game room for the kids, so come out and enjoy.
Very
Sounds
good.
great.
Well, Rick, thanks for being here, and Larry, thanks for making the trip.
Glad
I'm
to
sure
be here.
that snow was a shock to you this
It
morning.
was.
Thanks,
We
guys.
don't get much
Appreciate
in
it.
I'm
Arkansas.
sure the pizzas won't go to waste.
No.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
7:29 and still ahead this morning.
It's been a long legal battle over an important piece of property.